Get last result in interactive Python shell. In many symbolic math systems, such as MATLAB or Mathematica, you can use a variable like ans or % to retrieve the last computed value. Is there a similar facility in the Python shell?
Underscore.
Just for the record, Ipython takes this one step further, and you can access every result with underscore and its numeric value. And it is possible to edit ranges of lines with the %ed macro too.
Ipython allows you to go beyond the single underscore underscore with double underscore underscore and triple underscore 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 underscore, returning results of the second and third to last commands. Alternatively, you can also use out or n, where n is the number of the input that generated the output. For more info, see of this URL.
Your channel pushing some lines, try.